Hey everybody, I'm back. Now I'm going to start demolition on my kitchen because tomorrow they're coming to redo the floor. Get this pergo out of the kitchen and do the same flooring that's in the rest of the house into the kitchen. Base cabinets will be here the second. Sink, I don't know when that'll be in. I got the stove, that should be in around the second as well. All I got left is the sink and the faucet. I can order that tonight. I don't think that'll be here in probably a couple of days. I have to move the appliances as well for him to be able to get in here and run the floors all the way underneath the cabinets because that's what I want. And so I've got to get all this out today because he'll be here tomorrow. So without further ado, I'm going to do some more demo, which is my favorite thing. So let me get started. This is the butcher block. That's how much it's going to take to do my counter and peninsula. But I got this. I got a gas stove, and like I said, that'll be in later. So this crap is heavy. I had to get 2 grown men. I had to hire somebody to bring this in the house. That is my stove. I want to show everybody what I had. Smell how wet it is down here.
Got the
Purple one.
You didn't want this cabinet, did you?
Yeah, this was rotted. Completely rotted. Yeah, that water wicked up the drywall and it ruined it. This was the original color of the wall, dark green.
That's a nice stove, Paige.
Thank you. That's my new baby. But as you can see, there's an obvious gas line problem. Oh. I mean, that other one shouldn't even, that check valve doesn't need to be there. I thought that was water running, but it's something shaking over there.
It's that piercing valve where it's pierced that pipe.
Yeah. Well, I'll turn the
It's
water
got a
off.
drip.
I'll turn the water off when we
We'll
leave.
keep this out of the way. We can put a bucket there.
Yeah.
Clear.
Here, let me get the door for you.
I gotta put some higher cabinet there. I'm tired of hitting my head.
Okay.
I felt that one.
All right, that'll be next. You okay?
Grab the door. Oh, go open the door, Cliff.
A rat's nest.
Yay. Catch the door, Paige.
Okay, you got it. Thanks, guys. Thank you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wall out, this whole wall out. But we got to tear out the floors tonight as well because they're going to fix that, lace it in, and then come over here and put in new flooring to match.
I got this end of it. Just try. There's nothing behind the wall, so. Let's see if she'll just.
All these years we've been thinking,
Putting insulation in the wall.
Tony, can you put your flashlight in here?
Do plumbing repairs.
All these years we think we're venting to the outside and the dirt daubers have basically just,
That vent's been blanked off somehow.
yeah, the dirt daubers pretty much got it clogged up.
We're gonna do the same thing we did on the last one. Try the nails in the cabinet.
You need a lamp for anything? Okay, well, I got mine. torn out, and then I had to put in all new subfloor.